The time Jennifer spends on her homework each day varies, but she does some homework every day. The continuous random variable t, which models the time t in minutes that Jennifer spends each day on her homework, has a probability density function f, where f of t is defined by the given rule. Sketch the graph of f on the axis provided below. F of t is a probability density function defined as a piecewise function, also known as hybrid functions. It contains three sections. The first section is a graph of a positive straight line when t is between 20 and 45. The second section is a negative straight line when t is between 45 and 70. And the third section, f of t, is 0 elsewhere. To sketch this, we need to find the coordinates of f of t at the endpoints of each interval. We can use the calculator to find these coordinates. So let's define f of t. Just a side note, the Casio Classpad has limitations when it comes to finding the area under the graph of a hybrid function. And since the probability of t is going to be the area under the graph, it will be better to define f of t as separate functions. And so to make it easier, I'll call these two functions as f of x and g of x. When t is equal to 20, then f of t is equal to 0. When t is equal to 45, then f of t is going to be one on 25. When t is equal to 70, then f of t is going to be 0. Using a ruler, we just connect the dots. F of t is equal to 0 for all other t values, and it's important that you show this, otherwise you can lose marks. To show this, we'll graph along the t-axis for all other values of t. You can also use the calculator to graph f of t. F of x is defined from 20 to 45. And g of x is defined from 45 to 70. And if we change the window settings to match the graph given, we get the graph of f of t.